Welcome to Torque Talk. Today, we bring you a detailed review of the new Mahindra XUV300, a compact SUV that promises power, safety, and premium features. Is it the best in its segment? Let's find out. Exterior design and build, 0-20 to 1 o'clock. Walkaround shots, front, side, rear, LED DRLs, alloy wheels. Bold and muscular design with a chrome-accented grille. LED projector headlamps with DRLs for a premium look. Stylish 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels. Sporty rear profile with LED tail lamps. Host, the XUV300, gets a bold front look, sleek LED DRLs, and premium alloy wheels that add to its road presence. The build quality feels solid, and the SUV stands out with its sporty stance. Interior and features, 1 o'clock to 1:40. Inside cabin shots, dashboard, infotainment, seats, sunroof, steering wheel. Dual-tone premium dashboard with soft touch materials. 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Leatherette seats with ample space for comfort. Electric sunroof for an airy cabin experience. Dual-zone climate control and steering-mounted controls. Host, the cabin of the XUV300, feels premium, with leatherette seats, a well-designed dashboard, and a feature-packed infotainment system. The sunroof and dual-zone AC add to the comfort factor. Engine and performance, 140 to 210. Engine bay, driving shots, acceleration test. Available in 1.2L turbo petrol, 110 PS, and 1.5L diesel, 117 PS, 6-speed manual and AMT gearbox options. Peppy engine with strong low-end torque. Drive modes for an engaging experience. Host, under the hood, the XUV300 offers both petrol and diesel options. The turbo engine delivers good power, making city and highway drives effortless. The ride quality is stable, and the steering feels responsive. Safety and price, 210 to 240. Safety features overlay, crash test results, 5-star global NCAP safety rating, 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, and hill start assist. Rear parking camera and front parking sensors. Host, safety is a priority in the XUV300. It boasts a 5-star NCAP rating, multiple airbags, and electronic safety aids, making it one of the safest compact SUVs in India. Verdict, 2:40 to 3 o'clock. Montage of the car, closing shot. Host, the Mahindra XUV300 is a powerful, feature-loaded, and safest compact SUV in its class. If you want a strong road presence, premium features, and top-notch safety, this SUV is a solid choice. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Torque Talk.